In this video, we will learn the use of hem tool. Hem tools are used for mostly safety reasons. We basically create a bend to around here in the flanges, so to create a roundish shape, so that no one gets cut with those with these sheet metals. Okay, let's see how it works. If you select the hem tool, it will ask you to select the edges. Let's say we have the sharp edges around this corner, right? We wanna change them and make it around the hem. So what we do is select the edges, right? And these parameters have to be selected accordingly, otherwise it won't show up. So let's say we have an option of, let's say, 5 millimeters, which is basically this length here. Okay, from this corner uh, here, from this corner here till this corner. And the second parameter is the distance or the clearance gap between this point and this point. Let's say this is also 0.75 millimeters, so we want to keep it as close as possible. Okay, now when we're working with the hem, it can be outside or it can be inside. We just need to click this and it will go inside. But as we have designed this in a way, it will start overlapping with it, and that will hinder our design parameters. So we will keep it outside so that they are not overlapping with one another. Okay, now on the hem edges, this is similar to the edge flange or the miter flange. We have the options to select where it starts, from the inside, or it will take an external edge portion outside and then create the hem itself. So we can do it from the inner edge side and the outer edge side by selecting one of these options. So if you select this, you will see it has taken it started from an outside portion of it. Let's keep it as inside portion of it. Okay, also you can select the different types of hem. So one is, let's say, a closed group. So basically this gap between will be closed, no space will be left, and we can set up the length as we require. Okay, the other one is what we had previously, an open-ended, something similar to this. It is open-ended, maybe we want to attach some other portions before closing the whole loop. Sometimes we might want to do it. Sometimes we can do a teardrop where it takes a bend and then comes along, the edge will come along the surface. Or maybe a rolled one where we have where we have a bigger radius, okay, on the bend. Usually people use the closed one or the teardrop one. Okay, let's keep it as the um, closed one in this case. Okay, once done, click OK, and there is your hem created.